Exen Handy Vibrator Series. Exen's Handy Vibrator Series is the ideal tool for lavor saving, allowing a single operator to complete the work at various concrete placement sites. Flexible shaft series can be used in a wide range of applications, such as general housing, building construction, and precast factory. Unlike the electrode type, the motor is connected to the vibrating unit by a rubber flexible hose. Even if the hose is bent somewhat during concreting, it can still remain useful. Hard shaft series can be used for general housing, precast factory. Easy to insert to the target point with hard shaft. This series weigh about 5 kilos and are lightweight and user-friendly on a standard basis. They vary greatly in length and diameter. Because of their offerings that can be used according to different work environments, they prove to be very easily operable. Surfacer series are extremely unique. Configuration vibrators provides smooth surface finish of concrete. This series is best suited for pouring concrete into thin products of narrow molds and into slope faces. This is for removing air bubbles from slope faces with stubborn air bubbles. Vibration from the punch plate gathers air bubbles and pulls them up together with the plate, thereby ensuring neat surface finishes. EKCA is ideal for surface finishing of walls and pillars, concrete precasting, stone masonry work, and test piece manufacturing. Once simply push against the outside of the mold, it provides smooth surface of concrete. EPS transmits powerful vibration to a wedged vibration plate, effectively defoaming and surface finishing slope faces where it is hard to remove air bubbles. Simply insert between a pipe and mold of concrete. No need to hold it continuously in your hand. The Exen Handy Vibrator series is equipped with our proprietary E-motor across all models. Unlike ordinary motors, Exen's original E-motor is designed to match the rotational speed of the vibrator. Equipped with a robust aluminum die-cast motor case, double insulated structure, and double anti-vibration handle, Exen's E-motor combines high durability with safety and comfort for extended use. Using these products will definitely contribute to saving manpower.